I'm starting to feel a little bit more confident now because, yo, the alarm hasn't rang yet and I've been able to do all this. I try now. I look one kind. I'm looking one kind. You're looking at me one kind, yo. You're looking at me one kind, baby. Because I did 10 minutes makeup. Tell me why. I'm feeling a little bit cocky right now. Like, haha. Yo, I don't know if I set this timer right. Like, I'm not understanding why it hasn't rang.
Maybe I didn't set the timer right. I don't want to have to shoot this video again.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Oh, so fabulous.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm already smiling because I'm nervous. I am so nervous. If you guys can already tell from the title, I'm going to be doing the 10 minutes makeup challenge today, and I feel like it's going to be a disaster. Actually, this is going to be my second attempt at this video. The first time I tried doing this video, I was so stupid. I made one very silly mistake with the timer. I went to go and set, instead of 10 minutes, I set 10 hours. So I was doing the makeup now, and I was getting really self-confident. Like, So in 10 minutes, I was able to achieve all this makeup on my face just for me to check my phone. Because I was like, no, definitely this is more than 10 minutes. And I checked and I saw that I did set the timer right. You guys, I set it for 9 hours instead of 10 minutes. I don't even understand. It was just a waste of effort. I'm going to be attempting the 10 minutes makeup challenge. Oh god, anyone who knows me knows that I always go late for personal stuff, not makeup appointments with clients. I'm always on time for that. But my personal stuff, especially when I'm sitting at home doing makeup, I can never do my makeup in 10 minutes. So this is just for fun, just for laughs. I'm going to try it out. If this is your first time, you're welcome. Please, I hope you join the big happy family by hitting the subscribe button right below this video down here, and then right beside it there's a notification bell. YouTube will let you know whenever I have a new video. And if you are an OD, a subscriber, you guys are awesome, you're beautiful, you know I love you, you know how we do it. So let's just get right into this disaster of a video. I already laid out all the makeup stuff that I need right here because I don't want to be searching through looking for whatever. I make sure that my pencils are sharpened, my brushes are in place. So I'm going to be setting the timer right now, and I'm going to be very careful not to make the same silly mistake that I made last time. So this is the timer for 10 minutes right now. I'm so tense. Okay, where's my mirror? Let me be sure my mirror is here. This is my mirror. Okay, so I'm going to be starting this now. We have started. So I'm going to be doing primer first of all. Now guys, I don't think I'm going to be letting you guys know like the products that I'm using, because this is not a tutorial per se, it's a challenge. So you guys just watch and enjoy and laugh, because oh god.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
I don't have faith in myself. I don't think I can do this. Oh my god. Yo, that foundation is not enough. Guys, I don't really do well under pressure. I don't. I'm not even going to lie. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to be skipping right through to brows.
With crimson secrets and forbidden fingers can't stay still. Don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin.
Okay, I think I need to hasten up.
Deny the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Yeah. Connect the dots straight to the start of intoxicating warmth. Lingering touch, these soft words whispered in the dark. Set my heart on fire. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Okay, so I'm just going to be doing concealer right now. Using my booty blender.
With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still. Don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin. Temptation within. Mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bitter.
Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using my powders. This is for highlight, this is for... What am I doing? I'm not supposed to be telling you guys. Oh god.
Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Yeah.
even know what these brows are looking like. I hope they are manageable. This is the powder that's my shade. I'm using it for the rest of my face. This is not a tutorial. I don't know why I keep telling you guys what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to just attempt to do an eyeshadow quickly.
Straight to the start of intoxicating wine. Lingering touch, these soft words whispered in the dark. Set my heart on fire. Creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within.
Oh my god, it's 10 minutes. Ah! Okay, it's not yet. Oh, you guys, the time is up. And this is what I was able to achieve. I don't know. Did I try? No, I tried though. I'm not even going. I have to give myself credit, you guys. It's not bad. Funny enough, I can go out like this, but I don't think I'll tell anybody I'm a makeup artist if I go out like this. But it's not a total disaster. Like, my skin work is on point. My brows are flicking. The eyes look a bit bare because I didn't line the eyes properly. The lipstick is but this was fun to do. I do hope you guys enjoyed watching this challenge. I know it was a disaster, but well, like, what would you guys rate me on a scale of 1 to 10? 10 being the best and 1 being really bad. What do you guys rate me from 1 to 10? What will I rate myself? Let me see. I think I'd rate myself a 6.5. 6.5. Yeah, that's like a B. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Drop me a comment in the comment section about what you think and how you rate me between 1 to 10. Share this video. It always helps me when you guys do that. And subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.